Hello, dear friends. Today I will talk about the free Discover and Playlist packages for Genos. You can easily download them if you have an account and select Genos2. There are three files. You will install the PPI file into the keyboard via a USB stick. The procedure is very simple, but you must know that you will erase the existing contents of the expansion memory. Two files with the extension PPF are for installation via the Yamaha Expansion Manager application. However, there is a simple solution to how you can use this content on your keyboard. I will show it and I suggest you watch the whole video. Subscribe to my channel and support my work. Easily import PPF files into Yamaha Expansion Manager. Check the boxes to add Discover and Playlist to other content. The creation of the CPI file may take some time, depending on the size of the content. We put the created packs on USB and start the installation on the keyboard. This is a standard procedure that you have probably done before. Let's take a look at what is in these two packs. The Discover pack contains registration banks with which we can discover all the possibilities of the keyboard. Yamaha clearly wanted to encourage our creativity and show off all possibilities of the Genos2. Let's look at examples of how to use the multipad or how ambience effects work on a drum. Let's see what's in the playlist packs. There are many banks registration for specific songs. They are organized into playlists that we call up in a usual way. These are great suggestions, and you will definitely find new styles and voices for your performance. And finally, here's a simple solution to using this content. In the description of the video, there is a link to download Discover and playlist for Genos. You need to download it, unzip it, move it to a USB stick, and you can use the content without installation. No registration on the Yamaha site is required. You run everything directly from USB stick. If you like this video, click like. I invite you to subscribe to my channel and share it on networks. That's all for today. Receive greetings from Casper and see you soon.